Three.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah. And I am also fine. Now I would like to say something about myself. My full name Muhammad Jahidul Islam Rimon and my short name Muhammad Jahid. You can call me Jahid. I am from Jagdishpur and which located Noakhali district and sub district Sonaimuri. By the way, I am a student of Hazrat Mahazadullah Talan Madrasa and currently I am 15 years old. I want to be an Islamic scholar in my future. My father's name was Muhammad Johar Islam and he is a job holder and my mother's name Aisha and she is a housewife. We are five members in our happy family. Happy family. I have no brothers and two sisters. My favorite game in football. I like read Quran and that's all about me. Thank you.